Good evening, everyone. In this lecture, I'm going to show you a game I have developed using simple Python coding. So in this game, I have used cv2, math, random, and cvzone libraries. Right? How to play this game, how the game looks like. Let me just show you that first. Okay, so you can see I'm able to access my camera, and let me now bring my hand in front of the camera. So it's able to detect my right hand, and if I move my hand, so you can see the snake is also moving along with my hand. So with the help of first finger, my index finger, I'm able to control the movement of the snake. And if the snake's head will touch this character, the cartoon character, which you can see on the screen, the score will get incremented by 1. I need to close the game and restart it. Just give me a short moment. Okay, I restarted the game. Maybe this time I'll be able to show you how the score increments. So if the head of the snake touches the cartoon character, you can see the score incremented from 0 to 1, and again it incremented by 1. That is how we can play this game, and it's a very, very beautiful game. I know you guys are able to feel it. I haven't added any sound to this game. I'll be sharing the code with you guys in the description section of this video. So if you want to modify the code, if you want to add some more features to this code, to this game, you can do it very easily, right? So if you will click the link which is there in the description section, it will redirect you to a drive where you will find a file in which you can find the whole code I have used for developing this game. Now let me just tell you about the Python course which I have developed, and right now I am many students are taking it. So basically in this course you will be taught everything related to Python. Whatever the people in multinational companies like Google, Microsoft are doing, that will be taught to you, right? Things like game development, mobile application development, software development, uh, then artificial intelligence, domains of artificial intelligence, website development, web application development. So all these things will be covered in this course. If you really want to become a good software developer, or you want to pursue your career in the field of software, you want to know how and on what all projects multinational companies professionals are working, so you can avail this course, you can take this course. Definitely you will take away many things from this course, because I have done a very hard work on this course, and for developing this, I know I've given my blood and sweat to coding, right? So if you really are interested in taking this course, you can ask your parents to get in touch with me. They can just give me a call on the number which is getting reflected right on the top on your screen, right? I'll provide them with all the details of this course. Okay, and after that, if you find it interesting, you can just take this course. Definitely you will not regret, as I've told you, and you will take away many, many things from this course. So this is it from my side in this lecture. Hope you guys enjoyed this one a lot, and don't worry about the code. I'll be sharing the link of the code in the description section. Go ahead, check out the link, and do try this code. Thank you very much for supporting the channel. Keep liking the videos, keep sharing the videos in your groups, so as to make my channel reach to the maximum students possible. Thank you so very much for all the love, for all the support you're showing to my channel and to me. Bye bye, take care, and have a great day ahead.